You guys are in for a treat today. We're giving you the heavy bag routine of a Muay Thai champion. We're gonna give you some of our favorite combos to use on the bag work. You're gonna learn proper stance and defense and movement on the bag. And we're gonna give you a routine to improve your cardio, all from bag work. We know you're gonna enjoy it. Here we go. The bag work routine usually consists of, during fight camp, about 15 minutes. If he's not in fight camp, we do about 10 minutes, no stop. When we're starting our Muay Thai heavy bag routine, I want you at home to start off with simple shots. Start off with the jab cross, jab cross. Good. I don't know if you noticed, but I did. After he threw his 1-2, 1-2, he took a half a step back. Why is that, Tito?
Because I don't want to shoot and be right here. Boom, boom, boom. I just hit him in his face 4 times. He's just not going to sit there and just let me wail on him like that. He's mad at me now, so he wants to let that frustration back out on me. So I'm not just going to wait for it. Boom, boom. Take my shot, step back.
Step back, giving yourself room. Because in real life, just like you said, the guy's frustrated. He's not going to let you just wail on him. So when you're doing this, make sure that you're giving yourself room. After every shot, we start off with the simple shots. You said 1-2, tang, tang. Make sure I take a half a step back. Now I can see everything. So let's do that a couple of times. A little bit of stepping, very nice. A little bit of breathing, just to get warmed up. Again, that was very good. Stop, stop. Very, boop, boop. There we go, perfect. I noticed that you aren't jamming your punches. To me, it almost looks like you're fully extending the punches. Is that done on purpose?
Yes, because let's say we're fighting, right? And
Okay,
every time I'm on the bag, I punch like this. Let's fight now. I'm going to have to get super close to the throw right here. And it's also dangerous to shoot right here. Because he can block, straight elbow.
So what you're doing is basically building up good habits through your bag routine?
Yes, sir.
Outstanding. So that's another key component I want you guys to remember. When you're throwing your shots, I want full extension. Also, Tito, I noticed that you were moving around. A lot of times I see beginners when they're hitting the bag work, they'll throw their shots, but they'll stay in the same spot. Stop, 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 stop. Same spot. And how should they do it? Move, yeah. Step. Tang, tang, long extension. Step. Good. You may be a beginner to Muay Thai, but with these principles, you will excel that much faster. The first tip we just gave you was to extend the punches, use proper footwork, don't stay in the same spot. Remember, this is the art of 8 limbs. So now we're gonna go with the elbows. When he's doing his elbows, the whole body's gonna turn. You're gonna turn in a straight line. This is the proverbial center line. Watch my back foot. Up. I don't wanna overextend. Now I'm off balance. Still long punches, long punches, long punches, extension. And I step into it. Watch, I step into it, but I turn my back foot. So it's a boom. Very good. Yap, give myself room. Step forward into it. Boom. Turn. Boom. Let's give them a simple combination that they can use at home. First combination is going to be a jab, jab cross, jab, rear elbow. Nice and slow, so that way back at home, they'll be able to follow you and understand it. Jab, jab cross, jab, elbow. Perfect. Bang, bang, good, good. And then he jab, elbow, very nice. Good, very nice. Then he moves out the way. So we've given you the jab, we've given you the hands and the elbows. Again, this is the art of 8 limbs. My favorite, knees. The thing about the elbows and the knees is they can be used interchangeably. When I'm holding pads for people, every time I throw an elbow, what do I usually have afterwards?
Knee.
Yes, and every time I throw a knee, what do I usually have afterwards?
Elbow.
Good. So when the bag work, you can apply that same knowledge. If I throw my elbow, look for the knee. If I bang, bang, knee, bang, look for the elbow. Bang. I'm in range. Muay Thai. That way you have a good habit of having good distance and throwing that strike one after the other. So Tito, the next combination that we're going to give them, I want you to add in the knees and the elbow.
I'm going to start off with the jab. See, I'm stepping to the side already. Hook to the side now. And now I'm framing. Now I want to put this elbow right here, right on his eye. The eye is right there. Boom, perfect. Right from here, knee. Like
good.
That. Back down.
Back down, giving yourself room. One more time.
Jab, hook, elbow, knee. Back down.
So we're giving you the combination with the hands, the elbows, the knees. Now we're going to work the kicks. So Tito, what is some of your favorite combinations that you use with the kicks?
I love getting to the side because there's so many open shots you can get. You can get the cross, you can get the sweep, the kick. I love it there. That's like my 3-pointer, you know? I smack him up with it every day. I jab.
Then he woke up.
I jab, hook, See, I'm to the side. Now I can either pick a body kick or a high kick, but I don't want to go to the leg, because the leg, he can easily just lift his leg up. Me, personally, I like going to the top. Straight head kick. Jab. See, I'm getting to the side, fully extended. And on this hook, I don't want to go all the way back and throw it. Going halfway back. Boom. See, he's rocked now. He's like this. Boom. Straight up to the high kick.
This is for the arm. This would be for the body kick. This is for the leg meat. We're kicking the meat of the leg, not the shin or the calf, kicking the leg meat. We've given them the basic fundamentals. So let's just give them a little bit of bag routine and how you like to do it.
I'm not just standing in the middle. Kick. That's not good. Keeping my range. See? Back down. See? Moving. Jab. Jab, cross, hook, elbow, push him.
Push them back. When he's on the outside, if you listen, he's breathing, taking his time. I don't want you just to stay on the line in front of the bag and go crazy and you don't breathe. A lot of times you might think your cardio is bad. That's not necessarily true. You just aren't breathing correctly. So practice on the bag. He's throwing his combination. When he exit the pocket, the area where you can hit each other, he's breathing. We'll give you the rundown. One of my favorite things to learn how to do is kick from the standstill. So that's what you're gonna learn also. This is an easy combination, but it's very effective. I fake teep, I jab, not even really jab, just a blind him for that split second. So I fake teep, I blind him for that millisecond. That's all it takes. Before I get my hand back, I'm already switching. Whoop, boom. So it's a fake, bop, switch kick. Fake teep, touch, switch, kick, bomb. We have the lines in the middle, so that way you can practice on aiming for the arm or the body. Let's see it quick, Tito. Very nice. Another combination that we can do. Jab, punch stomach, long knee. But this time you have to simulate that the bag has hands. The combination is a long jab, punch stomach, rear knee from there. Jab, punch stomach, you see? And then I knee. You see my hands, I grab his hands. I grabbed them, knee, back down to guard. We don't want to do this, knee. Now I'm ready. What you got, Toothpick? Beautiful. Jab, punch stomach, again, make sure that jab is tied, There you go, up high. Very good. Combination for the right kick that I want you to practice is very simple. If I'm throwing the right kick, you don't necessarily have to say jab, cross, right kick. Sometimes you can just get it up and down, right? So this is how we're gonna do it. That was just a snippet of the full version that you can get if you click the link in the description or hit that pinned comment, because all of our content is on the KMA Online Muay Thai Training Program.
If you wanna wear the gear that we're wearing in our videos, just go ahead and go down to the link and click the Shopify store to get our gear.